A dolphin at the Half Moon Bay Ferry Terminal is a structure that ferries can moor off. They can tie their lines up to it. It's a solid resting place for the night. It allows the crew to board their ferries once they're locked up for the night. It also allows the power and the services to attach the ferries when they're moored up. During this project, the ferries wanted to continue to run while we were building the dolphins for them. This created a huge amount of temporary works. We actually ended up using 2 temporary fender structures designed by the HEB Temporary Works team. These allowed the ferries to moor up to the temporary structures while we worked in between the berths. This was a massive feat. They weighed 15 tonnes each. Another major part of working alongside the ferries was coordination with Sea-Link. We could organise trucks with them when the ferries were coming, different berthing times and the different ramps we could use for the day. A typical day at Half Moon Bay involved moving the jack-up barge you can see behind me. We had to get that into quite specific positions. This was done by using two tugboats most of the time and a GPS to position the barge correctly. This is not an easy task as it's a big heavy piece of machinery, but most of the time we were able to get it pretty close. This allowed us to do the 3 piles you can see behind me with the tyres on them. Another use for the jack-up barge is lifting all the heavy items off trucks and onto site. The environmental safeguards we used at Half Moon Bay were silt booms during the piling operations. This captured the silt that was coming out of the seabed. We could then bring this onto land, wash it out and reuse it. We also did marine mammal surveys here on site. Fortunately, we were able to see a pod of orca and a pod of dolphin as well. During this time, we weren't able to pile, but it worked out very well.